Hi Mr. Wong, this is Wolter, and as you can see I'm going to be doing my video presentation right now. So the question is, describe using an appropriate order how to obtain the graph of y equals -1/4 f open brackets minus open brackets x plus 2 minus 3 from the graph of y equals f of x. Then give the mapping for the transformation. So I don't need to do the graph or sketch, I just need to show how to obtain this graph from y equals f of x. So yeah, there's some rules that we need to follow. So we need to find what a, b, c, and d is. So 1/4 is a, 2 is c, and 3 is d. We don't have b because this is just reflections. So the graph have been vertically stretched by a factor of 1/4. Yeah, I know you can't understand everything that I'm writing, but I'm just gonna read, so it's gonna be easy for you to understand. Yeah. Whoa! Then it's been vertically reflected on the x-axis and horizontally reflected on y-axis, and it's been translated 2 units to the left and 3 units down. So that's the mapping of the transformation. So -x minus 2 and -1/4 y minus 3. So I'm pretty much done with the question, but I'm probably not gonna get full marks for that. So I don't know. So I'm just gonna do the example as the base graph. I'm gonna use just the line. To make it easier, I'm gonna use a table of values. So this is my base graph values. Now I'm going to use the mapping thing. Basically, we just need to multiply by negative sign and then subtract by 2. So -2 multiplied by negative equals 2, and then subtract 2 is going to be 0. It's going to be 1 and -1. This is going to be -2. This is going to be -3. And it's going to be -4. For this one, we just need to multiply by -1/4 and then subtract it by 3. So, -2 multiplied by -1/4 is going to be positive 0.5, and subtract 3 is going to be 2.5, -2.5. Now it's going to be -275. It's going to be -3. It's going to be -325 and -3.5. So that's our final answer basically. Okay, let's try to graph that. So 0 and -2.5 is somewhere around here. Then -1 and -2.75. So -1 and 275 is somewhere around here. Then -2 and -3. So -2 and -3. So it's like here. Then -3 and -3.25. -3 and -3.25. So somewhere around here. Then -4 and -3.5. It's right here. So graph is supposed to look like that. Something like that. So crosses the x-axis at 10. And now I'm gonna prove my answers using Desmos. That's how the graph's gonna look like in Desmos. So as you can see, it crosses the x-axis at 10. So the same result that we have. And then the point that crosses the y-axis is 0, -2.5. The same as we have. Then the other points, you can find other points easily. So there's 1 and -275. There's 2 and 3. All the points are here. And there is 4 and 3.5. and there is -3 and -3.25. We did everything correctly, so Mr. Wong, have a good day or good night. Bye.